So friends, this is the handlebar of Himalayan, Royal Enfield Himalayan, and the bar end. The reason why I bought this handlebar is because of the looks and even the color of, as we can see, the color of bar end. I really like the color of this bar end, so I bought this bar end also. And the color of the handlebar, I really liked it. Another reason is the Himalayan handlebar is bit wider than the Gixxer handlebar. Not that much, only like we can say 1 inch it is wider than the Gixxer handlebar. And after installing the bar end, it looks more wider than the Gixxer handlebar. The difference between this handlebar and Gixxer handlebar is till these two ends, both the handlebar height is the same, but from here the Himalayan handlebar it goes straight, but the Gixxer handlebar it goes up. It is bit slopey from here, it's going up, and the Himalayan handlebar it goes straight, it is parallel. So that's the only difference. About the gripping of this handlebar, it is straight, so it holds, the grip holds really good. It feels really good to hold the handlebar because since it is parallel, and it feels comfortable also. That's the only difference. So this is the look of my bike after the installation of Himalayan handlebar and bar end.